Kia ora. Another topic that's quite topical for New Zealand is chlorination of water supplies. Many cities do chlorinate their water, but recently Hastings and Christchurch have been starting to chlorinate as well, and that has become quite topical. So why do we add chlorine to water supplies? What does it do? What is its function? And you can also discuss a bit about the water treatment to get clean water to your homes. But your main focus is going to be this chlorination section, although you would also be looking at pH correction as well as anti-corrosion agents as well. So you need to do the macroscopic, microscopic, and model level of chemistry. So think of reasons why we add it, the physical properties of chlorine, the issues that can be result from using chlorine, and any changes. And this picture here in the background is the brown water that was very toxic in terms of high amounts of lead from a place in the United States called Flint, which your resource booklet does refer to, so that you can understand a wider context of if you've got pipes with lead in it. And some places in New Zealand do have lead in their pipes because they're very old. So you're going to be looking at the chemical structure of chlorine and how it reacts with water. And because it forms acids, you've got to look at the pH, and therefore what is the issues with reactions with the pipes and possible other issues that could arise. And then the model, you've got to look at formulae and equations. So as you can see, we've got the acids here. You need to know the difference between a strong acid and a weak acid. So all that chemistry you do need to show. Why choose this topic? You should be interested in this topic. Perhaps you live in Hastings or in Christchurch, or somewhere where they're thinking of chlorinating the water, or you are already in a chlorinated area and you're wondering why it's being added. But you also need to have level 3 chemistry. So you need to know the solubility expressions and equilibria, Le Chatelier's principle. That's all in the 306.1 and the 306.2 for the weak acids, pH, equilibria. And you also need to have done the redox chemistry in 307.1, particularly with the reactions when it reacts with the iron and the lead in pipes. So remember, it's a chemistry standard, so focus on the chemistry rather than the biology and the ecology. That comes in, but it's not your main focus. Kia ora.